Hello everyone, our app is live on Play Store. Download it and enjoy the flexible learning. The link is given in the description below. Thank you. Dear students, I welcome everyone to the workshop of English. Today, let us discuss the question and answers based on this particular poem called Have You Ever Seen? So students, it was a very interesting and humorous poem that we had seen, in which we see that there is a use of alliteration, there is use of personification, and the most important was the figure of speech pun. Now here we will discuss what kind of questions have been asked on this poem. So let us begin with the question number 1. From each line in the poem, pick out the word that is homograph. Write its meaning in the context of the phrase used in the poem. Then write other meanings implied in the question. Now here what we have to do is, we have been given some words. Yeah, we have to pick up some words from each line of the poem. There were 3 stanzas in the poem, and in those 3 stanzas there were some words. Yeah, so those words were homograph. So what is homograph? The word with the same spelling and pronunciation but has different meanings. So what is homograph? So homo means same, graph means writing. So now what does it mean? So homograph का मतलब क्या होता है कि homograph का मतलब होता है, homo का मतलब होता है same and graph का मतलब होता है right. So homograph means the word which has same spelling and same pronunciation but has different meanings. So that words are called as a homograph here. Now then what we have to do next? Next हमें क्या करना है? Write its meaning in the context of the phrases used in the poem. जो poem में जो phrases का use किया गया है, so in that one we have to write the meaning of it first and then implied meaning in the question. So question में क्या meaning हमें मिलता है, so that we are going to write. So let us begin here with that one. The first one, now here we will write the stanza, which stanza it was discussed into stanza. Then write down the word, what words were used. After that, one meaning, then the other meaning of it. Now students, if you see the first example in the stanza 1, the word is bed. Okay, which word is used in the stanza 1? The word is bed. Now what is the meaning of it, or what does it mean? So a piece of furniture. First is a piece of furniture. The other meaning is bottom of a river and sea. Now here the word bed, spelling is same, bed, but here pronunciation is also same. But what is the difference? The meaning is different. One meaning and the other meaning is different. So here this meaning that we get, it is in the question. So let us go ahead with the next word now. The second word is, now this is in the stanza first. Yeah, in which stanza we are discussing this one? These words appear in the stanza 1. The next word that appears is the second word, that is head. Now, what is the one meaning of head? That is a part of human body, a part of human body above neck, that is head. What is another meaning that we get in a poem? Hammer's part used to hit nail. Yeah, so this is the another meaning. Next word in stanza 1, foot. So what is the one meaning of that one? A part of leg. A part of leg on which human slash animal stands. So a part of leg where a human or animal stands. So that what do we call to that one? We call that one as a foot. Now what meaning that we get in a poem? What is that meaning which is given in a poem? That is the bottom of this word is used in a poem for to express the bottom of mountain. Yeah, the bottom of mountain is represented by the word foot in a poem. So the actual meaning of this word is a part of leg on which human or animal stands. Third one. After that third, let us move towards the next. That is the fourth one. That is hose. So what is hose actually? A pair of stockings. A pair of stockings or tights. Now here what is actual meaning of this one is, or the meaning that is used here in a poem is a flexible tube. A flexible tube, that is the meaning which is given in the poem. Now these are the four words that we get in a stanza 1. Now let us move towards the stanza 2 or the second stanza. First word that we get is I. Yeah, the first word is I. So what is an eye here? So eye is a sensory organ of face. A sensory organ of face that we use to see. That we use to see the things. Now, what meaning that we have in a poem, or what meaning is given into the poem? So the meaning given into the poem is, which is referred with the needle, right? So students, if you remember, the opening of the needle through which a thread is passed. A thread is passed. Yeah, students, please have a glance to these words. We will begin with the next word now. Here, again, the next word in stanza 2. Now here, this stanza. So we are talking about the stanza second, that is stanza 2 we are talking about. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.